Hey everybody, it's Chase with American Vintage Adventures, and we are here at Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. We've got our wristband. It's just about to get started here in about an hour officially. We're going to do everything that you can do at the park. We're going to hit all the ride overlay rides. We're going to get hot chocolate. We're going to try all the cookies. We're going to take you along for the ride. So choose your adventure. Have a great AVA day.
This is what Christmas is all about.
Come follow us.
Let's get this party started.
We are heading in officially. We've been here at the park all day, but now we are heading in officially to the Christmas party and see what's in store.
Showing off those party wristbands on the way down.
Make sure you show your wristband.
I'm good at that.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Christmas. There you go.
Merry Christmas. We've got our ornament here. It's nice.
Okay. So enough of that.
Very nice. 50th anniversary ornament. Great little extra.
One of the first things you have to make sure that you grab for yourself when you come in is Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party Guide. It's a special guide that will help you find all the awesome extras, the cookies, the hot chocolate, which are complimentary, and then the special add-ons like the party-only Christmas-themed foods and beverages and all kinds of holiday treats, all the special extra entertainment, all of that stuff. It's going to tell you where you can find it, what times the shows are going down, and then, look, they just look great. I grab a few. I usually take them home. They've got the Walt Disney World 50th anniversary logo, and I put those with the ornaments. Maybe you do a little scrapbook. That's what I do. You put it with your photo pass pictures, and you have to make sure you grab some great pictures while you're here because they have characters that aren't normally here, like Scrooge McDuck, Moana, who you rarely see, and they're all dressed up for the holidays. It will also help you find the holiday overlay rides, and there are 5 of those. And I believe there are also 5 locations where you can get hot chocolate and cookies for free. Well, free with your extra added ticket that you bought to get in. But if you're like me, don't forget to grab these. They look great. And grab yourself 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5. Might have got a few more than that. There'll be a nice little keepsake to go with your ornament and your photos. Now it is time to get going. We have been here all day. The special ticketed event doesn't start until 6 o'clock officially, but they'll let you in at 4. We had reservations, so we've been here all day, but we put off riding all of the special themed rides until tonight. So that's where we're going to start. We're going to hit the Jungle Cruise or Jingle Cruise, Space Mountain, the Mad Tea Party. Gonna try to get in the Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor, and then there's the Tomorrowland Speedway, and that is where we're gonna get started. Let's go there now.
We are on the Tomorrowland Speedway ride, the Christmas overlay, and some of the biggest amount of decorations are probably on this ride. And of course, you know, if you've ever driven in Tomorrowland Speedway, it is quite hard to drive and keep this straight and look around, much less try to record a video. But hey, what's an adventure without a little bit of crazy adventure? So I'm bouncing all over to show you guys the beautiful, beautiful setup and all the fun you can have on this ride. I know it's old. I know it's a day 1 ride. I know you can smell the gas. I know you can bump around. I know you feel like a milkshake when you're done, but it is absolutely beautiful, guys. It is a great ride. It's a tradition, and hey, you got to do it every now and then. You guys, this is so hard to keep straight. It's a good thing that this track's here, or I would have been all over the place. But we're coming in for a landing. Next up, we're gonna go check out the teacups. All right, we are on the teacup holiday overlay ride, and in full disclosure, I haven't gotten on the teacups in years because spinning's not necessarily my thing. But hey, for you guys, for this adventure, here we go. colored. They've got a fog machine going. I don't know if you can really tell, but it is a lot of fun.
Well, I'm glad that assignment is over.
In line for the Space Mountain Holiday Overlay ride. Not quite up there yet, but you can already hear the rock style Christmas music jamming. Really looking forward to seeing this on the inside. Line's moving pretty good. All the lines so far, and this party's just getting started, all the lines so far have been pretty short, pretty quick moving, and this one's no different, so we're just hoping that it's going to live up to our expectations. I hear that you can see the track and everything, so we're going to take a look at it. That's going to be a little bit different. Of course, you cannot leave Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party without hitting the Jingle Cruise.
It's a river cruise.
Now, the Jungle Cruise is always fun. It's classic. It's gotten even more popular since The Rock brought his movie based on the ride to the big screen.
The price just went up.
And when it is the Jingle Cruise and has the Christmas overlay, it is even more popular. Of course, everybody wants to see the Jingle Cruise. I actually really recommend riding it at night. Now, we rode it during the day, but tonight it looks very cool with the lights on the boats, lighting things up. And of course, they decorate the ride with all kinds of Christmas fun and shenanigans, and the skippers are definitely in their holiday themed jokes.
Now, you've been good this year, so I'm going to give you a present early. I did not have time to wrap it, but I hope you enjoy it nonetheless. It's the Jungle Book. Now, I hope you like it. I don't have a receipt. If you don't like it, it's going to be a balloon Christmas. Yeah, I can only afford the bare necessities.
It's a whole different experience to ride it as the Jingle Cruise, and this is an absolute must-do. So there are 5 locations that have complimentary cookies and hot chocolate, and you will find that they all have a little bit different cookie, and the hot chocolate's the same at most of them, but there is the occasional hot cider that you can come across. Your locations for the complimentary cookies and hot chocolate are going to be, first, I say hot chocolate, not hot cocoa. A lot of people say hot cocoa. I am born and raised in the South. We never said cocoa. We always said hot chocolate. So to me, it's hot chocolate. No offense to you if you like to say hot cocoa. I'm just a hot chocolate guy.
Hot chocolate?
So your 5 locations for complimentary cookies and hot chocolate are the Lunching Pad, Cosmic Rays, Pinocchio Village House, Columbia Harbor House, my personal favorite, and Tortuga Tavern.
Put that cookie down now!
One of the other things that everyone always gets excited about when it comes to the special ticketed events is the exclusive merchandise. Now, to my knowledge, this year they did not do any exclusive party-only merchandise. However, there is tons of merchandise everywhere. The Emporium is filled with all kinds of merch. So pretty much anything that you can think of is here that is Christmas and holiday themed. You can get stuff for your dogs. You can get special holiday ears, and there's several of those. One of the big draws this year for merch is definitely these special ears, the kind of white cream colored Christmas holiday ears with the jewels on them, the red bow. They are very sharp looking. These are $54.99. I think every female member of my family considers these ears an absolute must-have. We are trying to make our way around to try as many of the specialty food and beverages as possible. I don't know if we're going to get to all of them because it's really crowded here tonight and there's only so much that I can eat, but I'm gonna try.
There is no try.
So we picked up the Once Upon a Christmas tart. You can get that at Sunshine Tree Terrace, and it's a chocolate and cranberry tart with Mickey ears on top. Now this tart looks really good as far as being very Instagrammable. It actually isn't bad. It's not my favorite. I really like the chocolate in it because chocolate is my favorite. The whole thing is kind of got a weird texture, but it does look great on camera and to share. Still on our trek to find more food and drinks, we headed over to Auntie Gravity's Galactic Goodies, where you can find yourself a sugar plum shake. For me, it's okay. It's okay. It's an okay treat. You know, you're here, give it a try, but there are definitely some better things available. So our last two specialty food and beverage items of the night are the holiday dinner dog from Casey's Corner, which is an all-beef hot dog with cranberry, mustard, savory stuffing, funnel cake, and cheese curds. I feel like I'm probably going to end up wiping everything off the hot dog, but we're going to give it a try. I'm a little more excited about the Christmas tree cake. You can pick these up at Casey's Corner and try them for yourself. For me, it's also a one and done with the hot dog. The flavors just don't feel like they go together, and I don't really want sweet cranberry mixed with cheese on top of my hot dog with funnel cake crunches. I don't know. In addition to the beautiful Christmas decorations, as we mentioned earlier, there are several rides with holiday overlays. There's special performances by Mickey and his friends at the castle stage, and a whole lot more, and it all builds up to Minnie's wonderful Christmas time fireworks show and Mickey's Once Upon a Time Christmas parade. And listen, to me, the parade is worth the price of admission alone, and I say that as someone who is not a huge parade guy. It makes me feel like I did when I was a kid, and I would sit and watch the Main Street Electrical Parade, and after that, the Spectral Magic Parade. It just really has that kind of power to it, and just gives you all the feels and really immerses you into the Christmas spirit.
Hello, Walsh.
Well, hi, Santa. Is everything ready for our big Christmas parade?
Marshmallow World? Doesn't sound half bad. Peppermint Bay? I think I've been there. Did you say candy? No, I gotta say I'm partial to the sugar cookies myself. Okay, now my mouth is watering. Can I get some for your sweet tooth? Yummy, 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 Santa
I'll see you later, Santa. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Pick your adventure. Have a great AVA day. Come follow us.